Hey up, welcome to Plus Park and Attractions. Today we're at Wingham's Wildlife Park here in Kent, near Canterbury. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. They've got red pandas, giraffes, tigers, primates, meerkats and many other animals. 166 species altogether, which is one of the largest collection of animals in a wildlife park in Kent. So will you join us? So Barbary macaques, so come from Morocco, Algeria and Gibraltar. Hello there little fella. Hello. Quite a few of these have been rescued from shows, and we see people having photos taken with tourists who have rescued them, and we're looking after them now. Got a little hen with its chicks. So she's got 3 little chicks with her.
I wonder if anybody knows what kind of hen that is.
Yeah, maybe you can comment on. Maybe you can put a comment below.
I wish I had that kind of volume on my hair.
Yeah. That's so cute, them little baby chicks. And I wonder if that's Daddy. They're just making sure we don't get too close. And then we've got these pelicans. Yeah, look like pelicans. We're going into the flamingo enclosure. We're actually looking a little bit whiter than what you would normally see as a pink flamingo, and that's because they get the colour from eating the shrimps and the colour from the food. So obviously they're not natural to the UK, so the food source is probably a little bit different to what they get in the wild. But you can tell that we have got a bit of a pink hue to them. We're all standing there on one leg. So we do have a number of areas where you can sit down and have a rest and have a picnic, and we have created some cutout benches for wheelchair users. This type of bench isn't always great for plus size people. It's hard sometimes to get your leg over into the gap, but it's nice to see that there's plenty of seating if you need a rest on your day out. Stay to the end of the vlog where we'll give you some specific information about plus size people and disabilities when visiting this park. And as you can see, there is plenty of accessible seating, and also what is quite good at this park is that they are positioned so you can see some of the animal exhibits. So you can have a rest and sit down in the shade or in the sun and just watch the animals. We're now overlooking the meerkats. Everyone loves a meerkat. We're all sunning themselves in that corner.
Flashing position there.
Yeah. Well, if you have to clean yourself, you have to clean yourself. Don't you? Hello.
Giving you a silent treatment now.
Can you hear? He's making a noise. Sounds a bit like a cat.
Doing that little shrill.
Yeah.
Hello.
We've got a few more here. One of them looks like he's sunbathing. He's laid on his back. Hello. Not disturbing you.
this one must be on lookout duty.
Well, he's supposed to be on lookout duty, but I don't think he's doing much of a lookout.
No, it's more interesting cleaning his coat.
Yeah. Got a European wolf. So I can zoom in a little bit on him. Or her. He's got his eye on something.
Yeah.
I think he's looking at that baby over there.
As long as it's not eyeing it for lunch.
Yeah. And he's off. So we've got a couple of red pandas. They look cute, don't they? They look like little teddy bears.
They're a lot smaller, aren't they, than what you'd expect a panda to be?
A lot smaller than a black panda. Go down around, walk around the quarter. That one's having its lunch. So I've got a kookaburra from Australia. So I've got some wallabies. Yeah, it's coming towards us. Coming to see us. Hello. Are you coming towards me?
They're doing a lot of shaking.
I think they're trying to smell.
Oh,
Giving us a sniff to see if we're okay.
we've passed the test.
Yeah.
One of them's just hopped off, so I'm not so sure.
Right, so these are wallabies. They're like little kangaroos.
Got a nice big enclosure. So he's back down here now. He must trust us. Hello.
Oh, Mr. Wallaby.
Hello. Hello.
You'll be happy when it's licked your lens.
Hello, Wallaby.
Oh, you're cute. Can you come home with me as well?
Hello. Do you like the camera as well? Yeah. What do you feel like? Oh,
Now we know why you guys are in the petting zoo.
oh. You're so cute. Yeah.
Has it got a joey in its pouch? That one? I'm sure
Don't know.
there's a joey in its pouch.
You're pregnant. You got a baby. Yeah, I think he's got a baby.
Yeah, there was definitely some clothes.
You can
sticking
just
out that
see.
pouch.
Come here then. Show me your baby. No, he's off.
Yeah,
She's off.
She has.
Oh. And we've got the goats.
What's your colour?
This is a caracal castle. Not sure on the pronunciation. Maybe you can comment below on the correct pronunciation for this wildcat. So you can see a couple of circus rescue lions just having a lazy afternoon, laying down sleeping. We've got a black jaguar. Looks like it's chewing on a stick. Maybe cleaning its teeth after its meal. This is a puma. So to get a closer view on that tiger. Got another chunk of meat. It's got a big chunk of meat. Just had its tea. Its paws are probably about the size of my head. It's a huge animal. So beautiful. Don't know why anybody would want to try and kill one. Unless your life was in danger. You can hear it crunching them bones. Them jaws are so powerful. Don't know if you can see that, it's a binturong from Madagascar. It's like a large furry otter. It's huge. Not sure if you can see that very well through the glass, but that's a moon bear found in the Himalayas. So this is a new exhibit. Last time we came was about 2 years ago, and we didn't have this area. We've also got it themed like China or Himalayas, that sort of area, Asia, with all the flags. There is another moon bear in this enclosure. It's quite hard to see, but it's good to see we've got a large enclosure. Hello, hello fella. Hello. Hello. Are you sticking your tongue out at me? Where's your friend gone? And he's off. So we've got a couple of giraffes in the new savannah area for 2020. Beautiful creatures. They're getting excited.
Yeah, they can see the beak area.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think we've got food for them. They're just cleaning.
No, but they're trying a lot.
Yeah. Going to pick up a penguin. Got some chimpanzees in the house. Look like they're grooming themselves. So we're in the ape enclosure. This is the area where they can stay when the weather's not so great, indoors on an evening. Looks like a lot of them are getting ready for a bed anyway. So this is up a few flights of stairs, but there is a disabled lift that can take you up to this level. And we've got one just in the corner sleeping with its blanket. It's like a little baby. He's fast asleep with his little blanket. So up here in the monkey house, monkey enclosure, we've got a number of different exhibits. So these are Senegal bush babies. I don't think he likes me being here. He's having a shout at me through the glass. Looks like he's got a little beard. So that was an emperor tamarin. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe for future updates and more days out. Let me know that you care and you want to see more videos like this. Subscribe to my channel, Plus Parks and Attractions, where we're trying to focus on days out for plus size people and people with disabilities, mobility issues, showing you what you can do and where you can go for a day out. So I just finished our day at Wingham Wildlife Park. Very enjoyable, loved the day out. Saw lots of animals. I found the plus size experience very good. For me, I've done around 6,000 steps. To put that in perspective, the other day when we went around Legoland I did 8,000 steps, and in the past when we've been to Magic Kingdom that's about 13 to 15,000 steps. So it's quite manageable for me. How did you find it, Louise?
I didn't like the weather. It was rather wet, but I loved the park. I thought accessibility wise it was really good. Lots of seating for you to take a rest, quite a few places where you can get a drink. Seating options were really good as well for wheelchair users. Yeah, what I really liked was this is probably the first place where I've ever seen picnic benches that have had cutouts specifically for wheelchair users. I think that's really good. That's a really lovely option. Yeah, really liked that. Definitely would come back. Yeah.
Yeah, and I found that the pathways as well, it's mostly on the level and the tarmac paths. So there isn't a lot of undulation. There is a bit in some areas, but for the most part, you are walking on the flat, so it makes it easy to walk around. And as I say, there's plenty of areas where you can stop off and have a rest. If you come here for the day, hopefully you'll get better weather than us. It's been pouring down with rain, but we have had a couple of hours where it's been dry and we'll be able to see some of the animals. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future days out. See you on the next one. Hey up, welcome to Plus Parks and Attractions. Today we're at Wingham where are we?
Wildlife Park.
So we just finished our day out at Wingham Safari Park. Alright?
Oh, Wingham.
What's it called?
Wingham Safari Park. It's Wingham's
Wildlife Park.
Wildlife Park or Animal Park.